What are you doing? Are you having fun? Whoa! What are you doing? Are you getting dizzy? Can you throw them in the air? Throw them in the air. Throw them up. Whoa! Okay, maybe don't do that. You throw really good. Come over this way to throw. Come over towards Mommy. There's Sydney. You want to get the toy from her? Get the toy from Sydney. Get it. Uh-oh, she's running away.
Frog?
What?
Frog.
What are you saying?
Frog.
Ronan. What is that? Ronan, show me. Ronan, come here. Ronan, come here. Show me. What do you have? What do you have, Ronan? Ronan, what is it? Ooh. What does Sydney have? What's that called? What's it called? Can you say frog? Say frog. What's the frog you say? Hop. Does the frog you say ribbit? Can you say ribbit? Where'd you go? Are you stuck in that bucket? What number was that? What? No, that's a C. Can you say C? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? What number's that? What is that? What is that?
Oh.
Oh, you're right. What other letters can you find?
T.
That's not a T and an M. Those are both O's. Show Mommy your O's. Can you say frog?
Frog.
Frog. Oh no. Are you okay? Where's the C? Do you see the C? Look on the ground. Look for the C. Pick it up. Show Mommy. Is that a C? Can you say C? C? I know, it's very big. Here, say C.
C.
Good boy.